A good Saturday evening to you. A vocal weather hazards alert will go into effect for the Champlain Valley region. This from 9 p.m. this evening through about 5 a.m. Sunday morning. And this will be for channeling effects, a pretty strong south wind gradient across Lake Champlain in particular, where there will be best mixing due to the warmer lake water temperatures and those higher winds aloft mixing down to surface. Adjacent shorelines and areas such as the areas around the Champlain Islands into the Richelieu Valley will see the strongest winds, and it's been fairly well modeled. Some of the wind gusts may be exceeding 45 miles per hour and approaching 50 miles per hour as well. And indications are that we'll probably see some rain shower activity start to move into the region a little bit later on this evening that may accompany some of the strongest winds and buffer some of the adjacent areas around Lake Champlain, but that remains to be seen. This is going to be a very localized effect again for these channeling winds. It looks like the peak of the winds will probably be sometime around, say, late evening into the early portion of the overnight, and then those winds should gradually fall off after around 3 o'clock in the morning, and then diminish below thresholds before sunrise with a wind shift to the southwest. This is associated with a cold front that is off to our west, an area of low pressure that's just starting to get into the picture. This is the band of some shower and some thunderstorm activity that will fall off. However, we'll see a couple rounds of showers. This first round will probably be just a sporadic light shower activity with a warm front, and then a cold front will later move in and set the stage for diminishing winds but cooler temperatures during the day tomorrow. It does look like temperatures will stay well above the freezing marks. No issues otherwise. Just some rain showers and strong gusty winds locally to Champlain Valley. And you're looking at the HER model, the high rapid refresh, high resolution model, and you can see that the winds locally over Lake Champlain are showing up here as in other computer modeling. And you can see those wind gusts are on the increase here. It looks like in the order of the low 50 miles an hour and some of these locations here on Lake Champlain. Not a very good evening for boating for sure, and some very strong wind waves on Lake Champlain with a strong southerly fetch. And once again, this is the area they are peaking out. This is approximately 3 o'clock in the morning. Things begin to fall off a little bit as we head towards, say, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Things are pretty much finished up at that point. At least winds below threshold, but still rather breezy. That's it from here. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.